Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important because we are going to discuss the top IT updates for this particular week. So without wasting any more time, let us move forward. So we are going to discuss about the TCS strict norms for the dress code policy. We will also discuss about the employee at Pune office in TCS who was found dead in the office. We will also discuss about the 6 hours in office or your half day will be marked. So, without wasting any more time, let us move forward. The number one request is that please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've already not done that, and share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry. I know that it has been a long time that we have not created a video for all of you guys because we were busy in some of the other things. But yes, we have started it again, and you'll be getting all the updates about the IT industry. So please subscribe EdTech. The first important thing is regarding the 6 hours in office or mark half day leave. So as you already know that Wipro is one of the biggest IT company not only in India but the entire world. They're having around 2,30,000 employees who are working at Wipro in different locations all around the world and in India also. And the important update is coming that earlier they had a hybrid policy, right? They used to allow employees to come to office and punch out again, and they used to allow employees to work from home also. So earlier it was 15 days every year, but now they have reduced it back to 12 days a year. And on top of that, they have made it mandatory for employees to go to office and they should be present in the office. The first swipe in and the last swipe out should be 6 hours. If not so, then in that case, your half day leave will be marked for that particular day. So these are some of the stricter norms that are taken by Wipro after in companies like Infosys and TCS. TCS has already implemented 5 days of office week and Infosys is having around 12 to 14 days of every week. So this is major update. The next important thing is that there is a TCS employee who was found dead in the office, and this is a very concerning thing. Why? Because that employee was using a lot of betting apps, and that employee faced a lot of financial burden, financial issues because he lost a lot of money in that, and that is the reason why he put himself with this particular decision. And I want to tell all of you guys that if you're a fresher, if you're an experienced person, don't go into betting apps. Please don't put all your hard earned money. Don't take any form of loans or financial burdens because of these kind of things, right? There will be a lot of people who will tell you that in crypto they have made a lot of money, in betting they have made a lot of money, in cricket gambling they have made a lot of money. Then guys, please don't trust them and don't go into this particular thing. Okay, a lot of people are playing poker and a lot of other stuff which is available on the internet. But guys, let me tell you that if you are putting your hard earned money in that, then that is of no use. Please stay away from all those things. Okay, so let us discuss the most important thing for today, that is the TCS strict norms and the dress code policy. If you go to Chennai office, if you go to Pune office, if you go to Bangalore office, this is made mandatory for all of the people. Now if you are someone who is going to office, visiting office, you might already know that they have a particular dress code. That is the business casuals from Monday to Thursday, that is male staffers, they should have to put formal full sleeve shirts and tucked in formal trousers, while female employees must wear formal skirts or business attires in neutral or solid colors or sari or knee length kurtas. Okay, so this is what they want. Now, for footwear, formal shoes is important and mandatory for male candidates. For others, it's flats, heels, pumps, dress sandals are allowed. But on Friday, you have some kind of concession, that is, you can wear smart casuals also. And for formal events and client visits, business suits in neutral or solid colors and formal full sleeved shirts tucked into trousers, formal skirts, business dresses in neutral solid colors, and sari, salwar, and other things are expected. Now there are a lot of people who are waiting on the entrance gate also, the HR people or some other admin people, they are waiting on the HR gate and they are asking you straight away. Okay, they are insulting a lot of candidates also. This we have heard from a lot of people. They are going to office, they got their knee hurt or their ankle hurt, and because of that they are not wearing formal shoes or something happened, right? And because of that they were not wearing, but still they did not listen to any exception case. They simply asked them to go back home, wear shoes and come back, or mark a leave even if they are allowed to go inside. So this is what is happening in the IT industry, guys. Do let us know in the comment section if you have any points that you want us to make videos on, or if there is a point that we missed out for this particular IT update. Thank you for watching this entire video, guys. I hope that you have found this video helpful and you have subscribed to our YouTube channel, that is AirTech. Thank you and have a great day.